Hello everyone. So in this video we would like to share the inspection before the work. This is a HINO truck, HINO truck actually, and it comes with the aftermarket Pioneer 7-inch touchscreen and USB Apple CarPlay over here. The owner said it was fit in about 1 year, and currently the system is faulty, doesn't show up the reverse camera anymore, and also the screen turn off with the fade color and pixelate screen, and many times the owner cannot turn on the system. So we are doing the inspection and find out what actually happened, and we found that the head unit definitely is somewhere at the end of the life, or we say it is faulty, definitely because of the repeatedly problem when we turn on the screen. It is not full contrast screen, it's not clear and sharp, it just pixelate and white and fade color screen. So we remove it and we open and see this one here. The previous installation was with all the wiring cut from the factory port, so this one totally cut and modified into the Pioneer wiring. So there's no more factory connector port here, which very different with what if we do the job. Even we modify the wiring, we still leave the factory port on the side here, and we just slide and join the wire. So that's different style. And the microphone, you can see that was just putting right here from the driver's seat. This microphone is quite useless because it stays lower under the steering wheel, and it is much lower than the level of the mouth voice. So the voice will not going down there. You need to get the microphone somewhere, at the level on the side here, which we will do it later. So furthermore, we opened this section and we found something underneath here, which is converter, but the converter is only at the 10 ampere level, and it is fit in a conjunction with one relay over here, and this not very recommend because 10 ampere is just at the minimum level for the head unit section, and we will replace it with the 15 amp converter, and we'll remove all of those wiring, and we will remove this relay, which is never need in our wiring setup system. So yep, that's some basic about what it was before, and all of those unnecessary wire will be removed, and this part, the relay and this 10 amp will be removed with our new 15 amp and some other control module for the whole function of the truck. So at least I can tell you that the system here doesn't have the automatic screen turn on, dimming with the headlight on, and we will definitely make it happen. So when the new system fit, we will have the function with the headlight turning on here, and then the new screen will automatically dim the light to the night driving mode, which is much safer for the driver. So yeah, quickly some information. So we'll see you soon in the next video.